Students, today we are going to discuss about the crystallization process. Crystallization, this is the last topic of chapter number 6. Crystallization, this word you might have heard in previous class also. हमने previous class में purification of substances पढ़ा था, separation techniques पढ़ा था, evaporation technique पढ़ा था, how the sea water is converted or how the common salt is obtained from the sea water we have studied. Now for the purification of this salts, whatever the salts we are having, इनका जो purification है वो किया जाता है by this crystallization process. अब ये crystallization process की कैसे जाती है? For this an activity has been given in your book, activity 6.9. What we will do, we will take a cupful of water in a beaker and add few drops of dilute copper sulfate, dilute sulfuric acid. Now we will heat the water and when it will start boiling, we will add copper sulfate to it. Slowly we are adding copper sulfate and stirring. Stirring मतलब उसको mix करते जाएंगे, stir करते जाएंगे. Now we will add continuously the copper sulfate till the copper sulfate will not dissolve in that solution. Such a solution we call it as a super saturated solution. ऐसे हम एक super saturated solution बनाएंगे किसका? Copper sulfate का. Clear? Now after this what we will do, we will stop the heating and will allow it to cool. उसको cool होने के लिए हम रख देंगे. Now after some time or some days if you observe, you will see the copper sulfate crystals into that. क्रिस्टल्स जैसे आपके नमक के शक्कर के क्रिस्टल्स होते हैं उसी टाइप के कॉपर सल्फेट के क्रिस्टल्स आपको दिखाई देंगे. क्लियर? नाउ दिस कॉपर सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स विल बी प्योर, इट विल नॉट कंटेन एनी impurities into that. Clear? So this process is used for the purification of the substances or the salts. Clear? In this chapter we have studied about the physical change, chemical change, the rusting process and the crystallization process. Clear? One crystallization video I am adding after this. You go through this, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay.
Saturated solution of copper sulfate and copper sulfate. First we will make a super saturated solution of copper sulfate. Light the spirit lamp. Place the copper sulfate solution on the burner. Heat the mixture. Now keep on adding copper sulfate till no more salt is dissolved. Fasten a thread on a support and suspend it in an empty glass. This thread will act as a nucleation center in the container. Now remove the solution from the burner. Pour the solution in the glass. Leave the glass aside for a few days. We see salt crystals formed on the string. This happens because the solubility of salt in water increases with temperature of solution. So more salt gets accommodated in the solution than it would have if water was at room temperature. This solution is called a supersaturated solution. The salt from this supersaturated solution gets precipitated out when the solution returns to room temperature. The salt molecules that get precipitated out start forming crystals at the nucleation center, which is the thread in this case. Crystallization is the process of formation of solid crystals of a substance by precipitating it out from a